Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today a Gardner Denver rotary type air compressor. It's a 25 horsepower unit. We're powered up right now and I'm just going to demonstrate for you. It's got about 52,000 hours on it, which is not a lot for most air compressors. It is about a 20-year-old unit, but the life of these, as most of you know, goes on and on and on. Smooth, quiet, horizontal tank, 120 gallon. Less than a minute. Already at 70 pounds per square inch. I don't know if you can see that hour meter. We're operating on 223 phase voltage at this time. We have everything in our inventory from process and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.